Welcome back. In this video we're going to learn how to create categories. So in order to create categories, you just need to go to this post section and click on categories. In order to add a new category, just type the name and you're just going to add sports, and I've done this before, that's why it's showing me that. I can type sports again for the slug, and you can add a description here. Say this category is all about sports. Just scroll down a bit and add new category. I'm gonna add a couple of new categories. Agriculture, okay, agriculture, and this is all about agriculture, and add a category. And that's it. That's simple. That's how you add a category. Okay, in the next video we're going to look at tags. See you in the next video.